Happy Thanksgiving. I'm still going. This is the best ever, healthiest pumpkin pie. 3rd year making it. First, I wanted to start by showing you I made the walnut nut crust. This was 1.5 cups of crushed walnut, 3 tablespoons of pure organic cane sugar, and 3 tablespoons of butter. I did them in a food processor, processed them till they were like a nut crust that you'd go buy in the store. And that's going to be the base of my pumpkin pie. So far we have no gluten, no flour, no pie crust. Into this mixer, and I did this, like I said, this is 100% the recipe I did the last 2 years. Can of pumpkin goes in, pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie, can you see? Not pumpkin pie mix that's already mixed. It's delicious. This recipe comes out really good. You never know you're not having something. You never know you're having something healthy. So into the mixer goes 3 eggs. Yes, I'm doing it again, breaking them right in. 1. I've used a lot of butter and a lot of eggs today, but it's Thanksgiving. So I have an apple pie to make after this and a butterscotch pie, but I thought I'd make this healthy pumpkin pie. I should have left the mixer up for this. In fact, let's see what else. Okay, this is 1/3 of a cup of coconut sugar and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. See the difference is there's no white sugar in it. So someone wrote on my Facebook page the other day, sugar is sugar, and that is true. My son, if people are diabetic, type 2 diabetes, sugar is sugar. It spikes your insulin. But there are sugars that spike it less than others. White sugar is a spiker. We're going to whip that up. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Now, I have all the separate spices. I like my pie spicy. So, you could do cloves, ginger, cinnamon, all of that. I am missing. I'll be right back. This is my baking section over here. Over there is my cooking section. Who the heck knows where my video section is, but I kind of move from place to place with you guys. So, teaspoon. Yep, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's everything. So I'm going to whip it fast and furiously. And then I'm going to call it a day, for the pumpkin pie anyway. So I'm going to pour it into a nut crust and I'm going to bake it until, I'm going to say 30 minutes. That's a guess, but I will know because I'll check on it. This pie comes out darker than your average pumpkin pie because coconut sugar and maple syrup, they're pure, not pancake syrup, not the, knockoff. Just a sec, this is messy. Coconut sugar is more like a dark brown sugar color, and maple syrup is dark. So you can see that the pumpkin pie filling comes out dark. But the flavor of this, I don't know, I think it's better than, I did put the almond milk in. I thought, oh gosh, did I forget the milk? I did put it in. Did I mention it? So it's a quarter cup of almond milk. That went in too. I find it better than the ones that are so creamy and sugary. I don't know. It was delicious. And I know that my daughter loved it. I loved it. The pumpkin pie lovers loved it. It's going to puff up because of the eggs. It's going to have this beautiful nut crunch. And then we're going to serve it with real heavy whipping cream. This is a beautiful Christmas Temptations dish that I have the top for over there. And that's my pumpkin pie. Healthy pumpkin pie. Again, I'm going to write up the recipes when I post all the videos. Happy Thanksgiving. We're still going.